today we're gonna be unboxing some new Hot Wheels.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, unbox it, Nathan. Come on, give me help. Oh, there we go. Let's open it.
Okay.
Patient.
Yeah, I done it.
Okay. Whoa, look at all the cars. This is so cool. Wow, so many cars. Look at this one, guys. So cool. Look at this one. This is a Bugatti. Whoa. Let me see this one. Nate, you say show them the cars. Show them the cars.
I have so much fun with playing cars.
Yeah, look at so many cars, guys.
Yes.
Whoa, a Bugatti.
Wow, this
Like a
is.
Porsche 911.
Wow, this is cool.
Yeah, so many cars, right? Look.
This is
Look
so
at this
big.
one.
Let's put them right here.
Oh yeah, let's put them inside. You got 23 minutes. 23 minutes. Nathan, you're smart. Subscribe for more videos like this.
One car.
2.
2 cars.
3.
3 cars.
4.
4 cars. 5 cars. 6 cars. 7 cars. 8 cars. 9 cars. 10 cars. 11.
12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. Wait, you didn't do this. 21. 22. 23. 24. 25. 25 cars.
Look.
Woo! Look at all the cars shining. Thank you guys for watching.
Now, let's
Baby, say hi guys.
put them right here.
Hi kids. Hi kids, subscribe. Baby, say hi kids, subscribe.
Hi, kids.
Say subscribe.
No, I don't know.
How are you doing that, Smarty the parents? Give me help you. Give me help. Okay. Oh, you did it. I needed to take off the camera. Okay. Let's put these things in. Wait. Now.
Yes.
Yay! Thank you. Say thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.